What's going on, guys? Yo Bueno here. Today, I got a dog. You might have seen. So, you want to meet him?
Sure.
Let's go.
Yeah, we didn't get a dog today.
His name's Willis.
Oh, Willis.
Hey, Willis. Hey, Willis. Wait, don't open the gate yet. I'll open the gate. I'll do it. Hold it. Record.
Oh, look at the cutie.
Willis.
No, Willis. No,
Come in.
Willis.
Come in. Rowan, get in.
Should I just step over?
Just come in. Just come in. Quickly. Close the gate now.
You close it. Willis is liking me. Oh, look at that face. Look at that face. Whoa. Look at Willis can zoom.
Okay. So, Willis, you want to show us? You want to show Yo Bueno what we can do? Okay.
Ooh.
That means yes, apparently. Rowan,
That means yes.
Hold the camera. Point at Willis. All the attention goes to Willis. Playing facts with Willis. Go ahead. Willis.
What you want, Willis? Whoa! Did you guys just see that?
Come here.
Did you guys just see that?
Okay.
Willis just jumped up right at the camera.
Willis isn't really a person who likes a dog.
Whoa!
Who likes to do stuff like this.
Like
In
what?
front of the
If I
camera?
move, whoa!
He doesn't do stuff when people are following him. Just stay still, Willis. Rowan. Come here. Good boy. You're such a good boy. Yes, you are. You're such a good boy.
Okay, now on to the video. Or is this video just about Willis?
That was the video, Rowan.
Oh. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Look at that.